Unraveling English. Perfect Continuous Infinitives in Action. Hello, English learners. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deeper into the realm of English grammar fundamentals. Specifically, we're going to explore the fascinating world of perfect continuous infinitives. Get ready to expand your English skills even further. So, let's begin with a question. What exactly are perfect continuous infinitives? Well, they are a type of infinitive verb form that combines elements of perfect and continuous aspect. The structure generally looks like this: to have been, followed by the verb in the ing form. It helps express an action that was ongoing up until a point in the past, present, or future. Now that we know what perfect continuous infinitives are, let's understand where and how to use them. This infinitive form is commonly used after certain verbs, like seem, appear, claim, or pretend. It's also used in passive sentences or to express an action that was happening before another action. Great! Now, let's solidify our understanding with some examples. 1. To express an ongoing action before another action. 2. He seems to have been waiting for a while when I arrived. 3. She pretended to have been working all day to avoid the house chores. 4. In passive sentences. 5. The novel is believed to have been selling well since its launch. 6. The castle appears to have been standing for hundreds of years. Remember, practice is key. Try to create your own sentences using perfect continuous infinitives. Now let's do a short practice exercise. Try to convert these sentences by adding the perfect continuous infinitive form of the verb in brackets. 1. They seem ____ to work. 2. The house is expected ____ to build. 3. She appears ____ to sleep. That brings us to the end of today's lesson on perfect continuous infinitives. We hope you now have a better understanding of what they are and how to use them. Keep practicing, and soon you'll master these like a pro. Remember, the key to learning is consistency. We hope to see you in our next video, where we'll explore more interesting facets of the English language. Until then, happy learning. The correct answers to the exercise are: 1. They seem to have been working. 2. The house is expected to have been building. 3. She appears to have been sleeping.